back to my YouTube channel. So today we are checking on the chicks. I'm pretty sure they are 13 and 14 days old. I need to think. I can't remember what day it is. I think it's like the 34th day of them. But yeah, right now I only see 3. I'm pretty sure that they will be flying off, like flying out of the nest, and in like a day or 2, maybe 3. It really depends when they're ready. So yeah, something happened to the 5th one, so there's no 5th baby. There's no 5th chick, but there is 4 of them. The 4th one is buried underneath. It's like a day or 2 until they're ready to fly off. But hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.